I have been wanting to get one of the new smart locks for so long. So we just purchased this. My husband installed it. I'm going to show you the whole install process. It was very easy. And let me show you an up close of this. I absolutely love it. I love that it has all the different modes to it. You could do it as a finger touch. You could also do a passcode and a temporary passcode. This way, if you have a visitor and you want to give them a passcode, it's good for the time that they're using it, and then you can change it. It also has the key fobs that you can use. So I'll show you the key fob, and it also has a regular key. Here you can see I'm going to use the fob, and you just put it in the middle center. And then if you don't have anything or some reason your power's out, you also have a key that goes directly into it.
Go. Do it again. Go outside.
I cannot recommend this enough. I love that it has so many different options, and I don't have to worry about my kids leaving their keys and everything now. They have access. And like I said, I love that you can have a passcode that's temporary, and then you can change it for any guests that you want to allow entry. So I highly recommend.